Today I'm going to show you how to calibrate and operate TGA instrument. So in our lab we have TGA Q500 from T instrument. Also we have TGA 500 for one sample holder, and that is for multiple sample. So for that you need to use the pen that is either made of platinum, or you can have the pen that is made of ceramic. So that depends on the temperature you are going to use. Okay, so once you have that one, so basically this is the instrument. So what you need to do, you need to turn it on from the back side of the instrument, then make sure and just click on the instrument, then you can find you whatever you want. This is Q500, so it was also connected with DMA, so that's why it's showing Q800. So we need Q500, so click here. So that is the main window we need to work on. So you can see, so first we need to calibrate. That means since there is an option for multiple pens, so we need to either you can use one sample, or you can use almost 16 sample. Put 16 sample in here, then he can go outside and they will run automatically one by one. So I'm going to run one sample. Suppose this is number 11. So what I need to do, I need to go calibrate, then tier. So I need to select. So if I want to run 16, then I need to just click here. If I want to just run only one sample, so I want to use pen number 11, just click pen number 11, then tier it, and you can see that they are going to take automatically to calibrate. You can see the symbol it's showing that it's calibrating. So calibration is done, so you can see that the furnace is going down. So next what you need to do, just need to take the pen and put this in a scale and take around 10 to 12 milligram of sample. So now it's put this in. It's now let's see for software. You can see it's showing that previous person they run that one. So you can just right click of your mouse and just delete it. Yes, I want to delete. Then double left click of the mouse, then it will be vanish. So this is the main window. So you can see there is a couple of options: control, So by control you can see the sample, load, unload, furnace, up, down, gas, you can switch gas, air or nitrogen, air cool, on, off, auto sampler, everything. So at a summary you can see it can move, go the operating condition up to 1000 degrees Celsius. So I'm different condition you can use. I can use custom so that I can manipulate the processing time. So my sample, suppose this is test, the pen is platinum, pen number is 11. Then I need to go to directory, then go to procedure. In the procedure just need to put the sub custom, you can see so in the procedure, so just click editor, then the ramp we want to go for 10 degrees Celsius ramp up to 620. So it depends on your sample, so you can go any temperature. So just double click here, so you can change the ramp, you can change the end temperature. Or if you want to add, suppose if I want to first equilibrate, just go to the hand mouse, click and drag it out here, and suppose I want to equilibrate at 30 degrees Celsius first. And also sometimes it's happened I need to jump to 50 degrees Celsius, then just drag it here, then I equilibrate at 50, then I will start. Sometimes you might need to see that data storage, you want that once it will go 50 degrees Celsius and you want that after reaching the equilibrium, then you will indicate the computer that now you are ready to take the data. That means before these steps computer will not take any data, so you will get the data after reaching the 50 degrees Celsius. So there is couple of options you can choose. You can select the gas switch. Suppose if after going to 50 degrees Celsius you want to change the gas, so it will, so once you change this it will automatically select. So that is the option. It's your name, and that is what's here, that is flow rate 50 recommended from the, and I think basically all same. Once it's done, then click here, then you can see that that's gonna take a sample. You can see the computer data is starting from 100% because initially the sample is 100%. So about the time, and when you increase the temperature, that means you are losing the weight, so it will just go down with time, with temperature going up. So and it's showing that it's almost 1 hour. After 1 hour, what we need to do, that for the T instrument they have the software that is called universal analysis. Just click open this one. When it's done, just open any one. Suppose this one was done for your sample. So So this is the TGA of one of the polymer sample, nylon. So I'm going to show how to use universal analysis to analyze the graph. So you can see that this is the weight percentage, it's going down, and suddenly the weight change dropped too much, and then that is that point, this is, you can see the blue color peak, that temperature, it's called that maximum decomposition temperature. That means if you handle the polymer at that temperature, it's going to degrade, totally decomposed. So you need to make sure that your operating temperature for your polymer will be much lower than 440 degrees Celsius. And from here you can see the onset. Click here, you can see there is two red line, one select. Okay, so sorry, what you need to do, you need to select first this one, because I'm going to use green color. Then go one, select flat line, another one is maximum, then you go, that is the onset. That means at that temperature they are going to start decomposed. Now some samples are hygroscopic, so you might need to know that how much moisture it can absorb. Just right click of your mouse, click carbide value X, then right click of your mouse, select manual. Suppose I want to know that all of the moisture might be gone by 120 degrees Celsius, so I write down 120. Then okay, and there's two options, temperature and signal weight. Signal weight percentage, I click. Okay, now you can see that it gonna showing that 99%. That means 1% weight lost. That means 1%, we can say 1% it was moisture, or if it contains some volatile components, then that might be. Then suppose I want to know how much the amount left at 600 degrees Celsius. Again click curve value at X, right click manual, write 600. Okay, temperature and signal weight. Okay, now you can see. Okay, so basically once you're done, go to the file, then export PDF file to save it, or go to view data table, go report, up to 620, then select all data points, so that it will select all the data points. Okay, then you can see that CSV file, you can save it, or you can go for spreadsheet, same way. So basically that is the main operating procedure of the TGA Q500, and how to use universal analysis to analyze the data. If you like my video, just subscribe me, and I'm going to upload new video on different instrument. Thank you very much.